Good evening, Doc Earl Albina. This is our presentation of website in Elective 3, Human-Computer Interaction. First of all, I am Wayang Miguel and my coworker is Romano Christian. Let's begin. Our project title is Facade Design or Factory Method Design Pattern, the Purple Shock Event Ticket. For introduction, the Purple Shock Event Ticket booking website is a user-friendly platform designed for customer to book tickets for various events online. It provides an intuitive interface where user can select an event, choose a date, and specify the number of tickets they want to book. The system then confirms the booking and allows user to make additional reservation and for a real-world or conceptual solution created to enable smooth event ticketing is the Purple Shock Event Ticket platform. Its main goal is to improve ticket sales, customer experience while assisting event planners with tools for efficient booking management. And this is the scenario and as you can see the screenshot of our codes. We use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build that website. The Purple Shock ticket the Purple Shock ticket platform is made to accommodate both types of events, participants, and organizers. It provides a strong, intuitive structure for overseeing events, offering tickets, and making sure participants have an enjoyable experience from beginning to end. This is the code, and for number 5, Romano will explain it.
Okay, so next is how the packet design pattern works in the design. So first, the first packet design pattern is a structural design and pattern used to provide a simplified interface to a larger body of code. It also can help reduce complexity in a system by offering a single entry point to access a subsystem or multiple complex modules. So this make it easier for clients or customer can interact with the system without needed to understand the intricacies of the subsystem. So the next step, the next steps is HEI principle applied. So how can HCI principles can apply? So human computer interaction principles focuses on designing users interface that enhance usability. Interfaces should be easy to learn and efficient to use. Consistency, uniform design, access, and the system for predictability, and also for feedback, providing users or customers with clear responses to their action. So the next step is why is this a good example of the packet design pattern? So it because successfully simplifies, integrates relationship and provide user experience. Also, component separation of the other delivery of reliable and predictable processes. We can also provide a package is used. The platform is not only get more user friendly, but it also participate the user. So in the end, this because constructing enjoyable and accessible experience. So for the last part, Miguel Wayang is for the explain.
And for the last part is conclusion. Conclusion: the website for Purple Shock event tickets is straightforward, sophisticated, and effective method for booking tickets online. It responds its excellent user experience, seamless functionality, and attractive design make it the ideal resource for both event planners and participants. And this is the screen record and screenshot of our website. This is the screenshots, then this is the screen record here. Yun, choose a concert, then Here, you can choose whether it's concert, theater, or conference. I'm gonna choose concert, then the date, 25/12/2024. The number of tickets is 3. Then you will have your booking for tickets to the concert on 2024 December 25. Here. And book another ticket. Theater, 2024, 12, then 25, 24, then 4 tickets here. And you can click about us. Then you can click it, contact us. That's it.